Family and medical leave laws may change if some business groups in the state get their way. Political reporter Jessica Arp has details of an effort to change FMLA in the state budget.
Lawmakers are being asked by business and local government groups in these final weeks of the budget to wipe out much of the state's FMLA law, saying federal laws provide some of the same protections. But working parent groups say they don't. In the shadow of the state capitol, Molly Williams is enjoying time with her husband and new baby, Oliver.
He was born 3 months ago, so I went back to work last week.
She used Family Medical Leave Act time to take off the last 12 weeks, so she was surprised to hear that groups are pushing for changes to that law. A coalition asking the legislature's Joint Finance Committee to add a measure to the state budget to federalize FMLA.
Mainly it's because it's a confusing administrative nightmare, really, to try and figure out which law applies when.
The League of Wisconsin Municipalities says it's the discrepancies between Wisconsin and federal laws that cause problems.
Can result in some misunderstandings with employees, confusion, maybe even litigation.
But Beth Miller of the South Central Federation of Labor and 9 to 5 Wisconsin points out differences between the laws. Wisconsin's offering leave to more part-time workers, to those taking care of an in-law or domestic partner, and the ability to apply sick or vacation leave when you want.
Employers have managed to cope with this for over 20 years. The laws have coexisted for 2 decades, and I haven't heard any complaints from anyone except Wisconsin Manufacturers and Commerce.
The proposed changes have Williams rattled, leaving this message for lawmakers considering the changes.
I'd like to know why. I guess I don't know enough about the history why they're considering taking this away, but I think that they need to look at women's rights and just the importance of family.
Finance Committee co-chair John Nygren tells News 3 he's personally supportive of the measure, but thinks it's too controversial to get the votes on his committee. At the Capitol, Jessica Arp, WISC News 3.